Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve white screen on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve white screen on Roblox app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here in this page you will enter two apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Roblox. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, you can go to Play Store and you can update your app if you find update on this blue sign here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.